So let's do one of our starter. What we have right now, we work with our signature or special edition. It's a Memories caviar made by Ona Caviar. It's a very good partner of mine. And the special thing is from Siberian sturgeon. It's a bit a younger breed. Those fishes are around 8 years old. And we always work on the recipe, how much salt we put into it. So it's obviously an unpasteurized caviar. And what I really like on this edition, it's more creamy, more buttery, and it fits very well. So we serve it with pumpkin. So we have made a pumpkin mousse, and now we have slightly pickled pumpkin cylinders. Just going to place them around, and they're seasoned inside with a hemp seed nougat. And what's mixed as well with pumpkin seeds. We're gonna place 5 of those guys. We take already the caviar. It's portioned already, so for me always very important if we serve caviar in the restaurant, so it needs to be a nice amount, otherwise you cannot taste it. Then we just place it here in the middle. Very naturally. Up. Let's go around like this. It's good. Then we have a little mixture of slightly roasted pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds. Give a little crunch into it. So obviously, you know, my cooking is about the modern Swiss Alpine cuisine, so it means it's very reduced as well. It's always about best products out of the Alpine chain, and then we use it and love it. And actually it has been like the first real Alpine caviar made in Switzerland, so it's above 1,000 meters in Kandersteg, so that's in the district of Bern. Few dried chive flowers, because it's winter time right now, so it means we have no fresh herbs, or almost no fresh herbs. So what we do, so we chop them off from the fields in the summertime, and then we just dry them, you know, to get them stored. So they still have a nice little sweetness, what they add to it. So here we go. Then we have this lovely pumpkin sauce with quince, with the quince juice, so it's a nice balance between sweetness and acidity. And it gets seasoned with our homemade pumpkin seed miso, what's based on the fermentation with our barley koji. So the mousse and the caviar, all the rest is nicely temperatured. And this one, it's a bit warmer. I really like to play around so that room temperature things are coming together with something more heat, so it really melts together in your mouth. We just add a little bit of very high quality pumpkin seed oil to it, so it gets split. And then actually we're gonna pour it normally like tableside at the guests, and we talk through the story from the dish. Here we go.